Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Almost as if I never left. If you missed the morning session, you would have saw that I got greedy and... long story short, was up $1,000, didn't take profit, came back, stopped me out for break even, and then I went and lost $400. Luckily, I made it back, but... another dumb freaking move. But crazy though, new highs, and then we absolutely just smoked all of the bulls. We just freaking tanked to oblivion. Insane. But yeah, that's what you missed out if you didn't tune in this morning. The stream is still up, so you can go watch it. We're not really trying to hide anything. I'm not perfect by any means. I am not the best day trader either. So I don't claim to be the best day trader. Maybe one day when I'm making millions, then will I claim it. But even then, there are people that are making way more. There's always somebody out there that is making more money than you, but we have about a minute and 10 seconds until market open for the Asia session. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, and just, you know, hang out. Yeah. So what we learn. Well, y'all, there's not much to do, so I'm just looking at my phone because what am I supposed to do? The market's not open just yet. Alright, it might be a short stream. We'll just see how things kind of go. There we go. My Wi-Fi has decided to act up. Come on. If this just... Guys, it might be a short stream. If this keeps happening. If I don't have good connection. I don't know why. We pay for a good connection, so I don't know why it's just so crappy. But if it doesn't work out, then I'm probably just gonna call it. But we'll see. I feel like I have a really good angle today on my camera. Really good. Go, we're moving up. VWAP is blocking the freaking candle. Oh my, come on, VWAP. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, we're getting some good movement. Not bad, not bad. We tried selling now. Now we're going up. Today was ugly though. Got a lot of counts. I need to refresh actually. Hold on, y'all. We're just gonna go. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I thought that if I logged out, it would refresh because I need some of these accounts to be closed. The one PA that I did blow did get closed though, so that's good. I just don't like seeing the accounts there if they're not active or they're blown. It's just kind of ugly. It takes up space. And I just want to see what I actually have instead of what I don't have. You know what I mean? People, alright, we're moving up. We're about to open up a new 3-minute candle here. I wonder if we get a retest of 90s and then we go up to 600 or something. Just gotta wait to see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. Here we go. Oh, Dang it. I wanted to come back down first, but I guess we're missing this. I don't want to chase that right now. Alright, this is NASDAQ regular. We're moving on up. We might just fill the gap right here. It took us I think until London when it filled the gap that was there from, what do you call it, last Asia session. So no, we just play the money game. We just play the winning game, folks. Yeah, that's right. I'm looking at you. Tomorrow, I think, should make for a pretty interesting day because we did pull back down. So we closed bearish for yesterday, which was just about an hour ago, an hour 4 minutes ago. So today's session, are we going to retest 28,800s and then it's going to tank back down? Or do we just flip red? Because we do have this gap here that has not been filled yet. Actually, no, I think it's a little bit further back. Or maybe it's right there. Who knows? Either way, let's go back to the time that I need to be on. 3 minutes. That is my bread and butter. New 5 minutes. Looking like they might come back to test 2600. Retest this, go back up to 10s, but who knows? I don't really have the biggest appetite right now for taking a trade because today just ruined my psychology in some sort. I'm glad I was able to bring the account back. The one that I traded was 71. This is the bad boy that you saw. We managed to come back up, and I only made like $32 on it, but it's still at a point where I can take a payout. I have 2 accounts that are above the buffer, so I didn't trade it. I traded 2 funded accounts. The one that you see now, 71. I brought that back, then I was like, screw it, I'm gonna go trade something else. I think this is the one that I don't know which one. I know I got removed, the one that I blew. Which I was up, but then I kind of got just stupid. And let my emotions get the best of me. And then we lost it. But I was able to pass 3 funded accounts. No, I was able to pass 3 evaluations, not 3 funded accounts. You gotta make that distinction. And the Apex is ending their sell in 5 hours too, so I hope they extend it. I really hope they do. But speaking of which, I do need to activate those accounts. So let's go do that. Let's go do that. There's also not much going on right now, so I have not gotten the email yet for it. Let's hope they get it soon because I want to get it activated. I don't want to have to pay a higher fee if I don't have to. And I really don't want to either. So yeah, I don't want to, so hopefully they can send me that email soon. Alright, we're gonna pull back. Let's see if we can get some sort of minor consolidation. They might want to come test 28,600 again. Would be neat for a move to the back to the upside. Obviously, this is not financial advice, right? This stream is not even real. I'm just AI. So don't copy any of my trades. This is not financial advice. This is only pure entertainment. This stream. Started smooth. Move slow again. In this little chop, do they want to just shoot up here? Is this a consolidation? Looks to be. I don't think I want to short here. Bulls are in control, so I think that was the chance to get along. The 5 minute did pull back. If I looked on the 5 minute, it was probably better. It looked better for a long, but on a 3 minute, just seeing these green candle prints, not really too appetizing. I would prefer to have seen the red candle come test 600 first and then rip up. But it's just how it be, man. ES not much either. Here we go. Let's see. We didn't have any news today. I think we had crude oil, but that really doesn't. I don't trade crude, so it doesn't really affect NASDAQ. Some Asian news, not much. Tomorrow, as far as US goes, we have non-farm payrolls at an hour before market open. That should stimulate the market a little bit. Moving on from that. Michigan 5-year. That usually doesn't spike. It's kind of hit or miss with Michigan news. Sometimes it moves the market like a little bit. Sometimes you don't get nothing. Tomorrow's Friday too, so gonna make for an interesting day tomorrow. No news. Ugh. Staring at this chart's making me tired. Got ES moving to the downside. Not really hanging at the top, so I will say ES and NASDAQ have really just been kind of like opposites for the past. Technically, it would be, I guess, well, today and yesterday. We're not attacking the sessions, okay? But just from what I've seen. Oh, here we go. That's why I didn't want to go short here. Bulls have control. Do they fill this gap here? I think we still get a little bit of a move on ahead. 27? Something like that. But I'm definitely not getting filled in here, so that would have been the move. I just don't like it. There's no red candle, we're just printing green. So maybe you're looking at 28,680s as a target, you know, an area of interest. That's where we had the first resistance, so just looking at like supply and demand, looking at zones to zones. Because look, now this, kind of tough, you can't predict that, but zone, right? Support, resistance. Guess what? Support or resistance turns into support. Resistance turns into support. Until it's not. Overall trend. There's a gap here? I don't believe that. There's no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Nothing exciting going on, folks. But currently we have 6 active funded accounts, and we have 3 more that should be on the way once I get the email that has notified me that I have passed them. They should be passed. Let's just make sure, because they should be above the 3,000. Yeah, 38. Alright, this should be good. I better get them. Better not get some kind of BS where it pushes me past the point where I can't get the $69 activation. That would suck. It would absolutely suck. Oh boy. Sorry, y'all. Either way, tomorrow's a new day. New day, new session, new day, and we'll just take it one step at a time. Didn't really get a consolidation down here, so do we start to form the consolidation here for the move up higher? Is that what we're about to do? Whoa. Oh, really? Whoa. 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 What's going on? What is happening? Where did this little spike just come from? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of life? What is the meaning of pi? What is pi? What is life? Y'all know what I'm saying? What a spike. At a 40-point spike out of the nowhere. RKO. Nasty move. Do they get to close up here at 55? But they're slowly creeping up to 28,680. First level of resistance. Well, I guess this is technically the first right here, and then you got 1, 2. ¿Cuántos? Ay, ay, ay. What are we doing? What are we doing, market? If you guys wonder what I'm doing with my left hand as well, I'm just playing with this little Allen wrench. Just fidgeting. Here we go. Seems like we just opened up this candle. What are we doing, market? Bulls are trying to get some redemption. I mean, they absolutely just annihilated everybody. And then this move, oh man. I was kind of expecting this too, though. Just try catching the top. It's funny, I wasn't up here, believe it or not, with a micro. That's why I was able to be in it. And I went and prepped my chicken, and then the market just proceeded to tank. So, get distracted, go meal prep, and then that's when the market moves big. And I'm like, well, shoot. Isn't that lovely? The market will not move when you are watching it. But as soon as you walk away, it'll go the way you want it to. That's just how it is. Talk about inconvenience. I do hope I get some good sleep tonight, though. I've been waking up middle of the night. Gotta use the bathroom. And just ruins my sleep because I wake up early to go to the gym. I'm like, man, if I feel groggy, wake up groggy, it just makes for an absolute terrible workout. Talking about weights feeling heavier than they should be. I mean, it's very real. If you work out there, you lift heavy, you don't get enough sleep, you will feel the repercussions of not getting enough sleep. Right, recovery sleep is important, especially as if you are a lifter who lifts heavy. Now, I mean, I guess if you lift overall, because I mean, bodybuilding, you don't really need to hit heavy weights, but then again, at the same time, it's also like, you know, oh, here we go, another spike. What is going on? Bullshit. Nah, bro, we tired of you guys. I'm gonna take a short here. See, we tagged in 61. We go back down to 50. And we missed that. Or didn't get filled in. Now it's going back up. I just don't like this move. What the heck is going on? That's an ugly formation right there. I'm gonna mark it in. We're gonna take the short. We're gonna look to target this level 46 down here. Oh, it's coming up for my stop loss. Talk about a move. About to get stopped out. Unless the market just wants to save me here by a tick. Saved by the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Do we get this move? Technically, on the 5 minute, there's a small gap, so like right here. But we're not doing technicality. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna move this a little bit above this wig. I don't want to get wigged out. Sorry, y'all. Try to avoid if I can getting wigged out. But it looks like the market's gonna continue going up from the looks of it. Right? We're just chilling up here. Thought we'd be able to get at least a quick little pop back down. Got about 5 seconds until we get the new candle. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Unless the market just wants to do me a solid, come back down. Just absolutely nuke it to the downside. Actually, I'm gonna add in right here. We'll go 2 cons. We'll put my stop loss up here. 80, pretty big stop loss, but let's see if we can get this little pop back down. Come back down to earth. It'll pop back down to 61. See if we can get a little bit of a chop. Chop, chop. Although this will probably be the only trade that I will take tonight. So whatever happens here happens. I'll call it after that. Can we get this retest of 60s? I'll take a break-even trade and just call it there. So much green lines. So many green lines. Hope there's some prep for break even. But my entry is gonna act like a absolute just opposite of a magnet. Let's get this little pop back down to 61. 63. Looks like they don't want that 60s. 60s acting like a little dirty smell that nobody wants to get close to. They're like, oh, we're getting close to it. We don't want it. New 3 minute. Can we get this little pop back below to 61s? Put it right here. Right at 61. That's going to be where I'm going to get out. If we can get out at 61. There we go, 64. Can we get 63 in the bid? All right, we got 63. Can we get 62? All right, we got 62. Can we get 61 on the bid? There we go. 61. Let's go give it to me on the dot. There we go. Alright, we're up $8, but I'm calling it a night, like I said. Yeah, we're calling here. I don't want to watch paint dry. But, I mean, not bad. Not bad on the moves. If you did tune in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. It's going to be either evaluation accounts or what it's going to be money cash giveaway. I just don't know yet. I will figure out all the details once we get there. But either way, you have a good night. We'll be back tomorrow for another day.